Hello all my dear students, good afternoon all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your Tezip sir my dear students, and this is your 4th maths class. So as per daily my dear students, I am telling you, take your book, pen or pencil and your important stationery, keep it with you all my dear students, and then it is going to be a start our session. Do fast all of you. I hope you all are took your books. And all my dear students, what we have done completed, I hope you all remember. So now further we are going to do the revision of further question. Understood all of you what I am telling you? Do fast all. And then we will going to start we will going to start our question. Okay? What we have it? We reach on question number 3. Okay, multiple question is done, but multiplication question, multiple question we have completed. Now where we will move on further? We will move on further the division sum. Okay, so now first of all you have to write the instructions with me. What you have to write, my dear students? Instructions with me. Multiple we have a completed. Multiply and division. Got my points all of you? I hope you all are understood here. Note down these important things with you. Okay, so now let's check the question number 1 we have completed, question number 2 we have completed. But again we will do the revision of multiple questions. First of all, note down this all things, all my dear students. Do fast all. I hope you all are understood. And you have to write these all things in your book. And then we will move on further, my dear students. Question number 3 and 4. First of all, we have to do revision. Again, we do the revision of question number 1 and 2. So let's do with me all here. What is the question number 1? 2806 multiplied by 3. Okay dear? Okay, so now attention here all my dear students. What is the question number first? Okay, 2806 multiplied by 3. Okay, I hope you all remember table number 3. 3 6 how many, my dear student? Okay, 3 6 how many, my dear students? Let tell me. Okay, now you are not telling me, but then whenever you are coming in Google Meet live classes, that time you have to telling me how many tables we have to remember. Okay, so 3 6 or 6 3 are 8. So 8 here and 1 is a form of carry. Then after what we have to do further? 3 zeros are 0. Okay, as per I was told you, any number multiplied with 0, so we will get the 0. So 3 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Then after 3 8s are or 8 3s are. Okay, how many, my dear students? 3 8s are or 8 3s are 24. Okay, so 4 here and 2 is a form of carry. But my point, all of you, I hope you all are understood. And 3 2s are. Then after 3 2s are 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6 plus 2. Okay, 6 plus 2, so 7 or 8. So answer is what, my dear students? Answer is 8,480. 8,480. How many, my dear students? 8,480. Note down the question number 1, dear. Do fast, all of you. And compulsory you have to write this all things on dear. Don't forget to count the carry. Compulsory you have to count the carry. Add the carry. I hope you know what is the basic rules of multiplication. Okay? After complete this revision or assignment, we will move on basic rules of multiplication, addition, subtraction and division. Got my points, all of you? Okay, I hope you have written. I hope you wrote the question number 1. Now, we will move on further the question number 2. What is the question number 2, all dear students? So, question number 2 is, let's write with me, all dear. 4,162. 4,162 multiplied by 4. 4040. Okay, dears. So now attention here, all dear. Okay. First of all, what we have to do? We have to put the 0. Okay. Otherwise, okay, this 0 we will going to be put this side 0. Okay. Otherwise, what we have to do? First of all, we take the 4 to the 8. Okay, 4 to the 8. Otherwise, we will going to be put the 0. And then after, we will going to be start the multiplication of 4 digits. 4 to the 8. Then after 4 6 the, how many? 24. 24 of 4 here and 2 is a form of carry. Okay, then after 4 1s are 4. 4 plus we have to count the 2 carry. Okay, 4 1s are 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Got my points all here? Then after 4 4s are 8. Okay, sorry, 4 4s are 16. Not a 4 2s are 4 4s are 16. So 16 of we have to write 16 directly here. Understood? And then after, what is the next step? So we have to count with 0. 0 2s are 0. 0 6s are 0. 0 1s are 0. 0 4s are 0. And 0 4s are 0. And we have to put the first compulsory 0. Okay? So that's why we will not consider 0 here. Okay, my dear all students, what we do? That's why we get the 0 answer. That's why we will not consider this 0. Okay, we will consider only the 4. Okay, if you don't know the method, so first of all you hide the 0 and do multiplication. What you do, all dear students, if you don't know how to do the multiplication of double digit, so if 0 is over there is here, so what you do that time you put the hide a 0 and then you do the multiplication. First you put the compulsory 0, means mathematical rules 0, then you 4 to the 8. I'll rub the 0. 4 to the 8. 4 6 are how many, my dear students? 24. 24 of 4 here and 2 carry. Then after 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. And 4 4s are 16. So this is answer of question number 2. Okay, what is the answer, my dear students? 1,66,480. How we will know? Because of here 6 digits. Okay, and 6 digits number we called lakhs. Then after 2 here is what? 5 digits. So we call 10,000. 3 digit 100 and 2 digit tens and 1 digit ones. Understood? Note down the question number 2 dear. All my dear, compulsory you have to note down in your book. Do fast all. Do fast on here, and then further what we have to do, and then further question number 3 we have to do the addition. Okay, sorry, division, not addition here. Question is what? 762 divided by 2. 762 divided by 2. Okay, so my dear students, I hope you all know I hope you all remember the rules of division. Okay, the rules of division. Okay, in table number 2, 7 will become or not, my dear student? If you don't know, so that time what do you do? That time you have to speak the table number 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, and 2 fours are 8. So if the 8 is high, in table number 2 is not coming the what? 7. So that time you have to take the small digit. Then given the number. Here is 7. So what do you do that time? That time you have to take the small number. So 7 to small is 6. Okay, so in table number 2, 6 will come. Yes, obviously. But where? 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Okay, so 2 threes are 6. So what we have to do here? We have to do here subtract. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Then after further digit we bring it down. So I am bringing down here 6. Understood? Now we will check in table number 2, 16 will become or not? Yes, 16 will come, but where? 2 8s are 60. Again we do the what? Again what we have to do? We have to do the subtraction. Okay. Now for the next step, we will going to be what we have to do? Further digit we bring it down here. Okay, so we bring it down here what? Further digit. My points for all of you. Okay, so in table number 1, table number 2, 2 will become, yes, obviously 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. So answer is what? 382 is our answer. Okay, 381 is our answer. I hope you all are understood, my dear students. So note down the question number 3. Do fast, all of you. And then after completing the question number 3, we will going to be start the question number 4. Do fast all. Note down the question number 3, all my dear students. Do fast all. Okay, my dear one students, I hope you have completed the question number 3. We will move on further the question number 4. So let's note down with me question number 4. (301) divided by 1. It's a very simple and very easy question. Okay, in 1 3s are 1 3s are, okay, or 3 1s are 3 1s are. How many, my dear students? 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 0 1s are 0. So it's 0. We will get the 0. And then what we have to do? We bring it down this 1. So that is a mathematical rule. It will be going to upside. But my points, all of you, I hope you all are understood. 3 0 or 301, 1s are 301. As like that, we have to solve this question number 4. Question number 4 is very easy for us. Okay, so now here, my dear students, we have completed here a question number 2, a multiply and a division. Do fast, all of you. I hope you all are understood. We have completed the question number 4. Now, my dear students, we will going to start the question number 2b regarding the fraction. Okay, regarding the fraction, you have completed in question 3rd standard fraction. Okay, which question? That question is come, but where multiplication and division. Multiply and division come over there. I hope you all are writing, all my dear students. And then further the question number 2b. Then further the question number 2b. What is the question number 2b? Question number 2b is what? Solve the following. Do fast only here. Okay, now I am got the board and we will move on question number 2b. Solve the following. Okay, dear, note down the question. Note down this instructions in your book, dear, with me. Do fast, all of you. And you have to write with me a question number. First question number 1. Okay. Okay, so what we call of this digit? 1/3. Otherwise, what we call 1/3? 1/3 of 30. 30. We have to find. We have to find the 1/3 of 30. Otherwise, we have to find 1/3 of 30. Means here what we have to find? Here the find of 13's 3 part. 13's 3 parts. How many parts of 13? 3 parts. We have to divide the 13 in equally 3 parts. So how it possible? How we will going to be a solve? So attention here, all my dear students. Okay. But first of all, I am going to be telling one common things. Okay. So first of all, note down the question. Note down these things, all my dear students. Do fast. Okay. So first of all, I hope you know and you know the very well the words denominator and numerators. Which words, all my dear students? Denominators and numerators. Okay. So we have to write this thing here. So back on all of you. Denominator and numerator is here. First upper side part is called a numerator and down side is a denominator. What we call denominator, and this part will going to be called numerator. Got my points, all of you? We call a numerator or denominator. I hope you all remember. Note down these both words first. Got my points, all of you? One upon third of 30. So what we have to do the first we have to do a multiplication. Okay, first we have to do the multiplication here. Got my points? So 3 divided by 30. Okay, 3 divided by 30. First we have to do the division step, not a multiplication step. In table number 3 will come or not? Yes. 3 ones are 3. And this 0, bringing down 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Then what we have to do? Then we have to do 0 bringing down, and this 0 is going to be upside. Division step is done. Okay. And then now what we have to do? Now we have to do the multiplication. What we get the answer? 10. 10, and this 10 is divided by numerator. So this 10 is multiplied by numerator, means 1. So 10 ones are 10. So our answer is what? 10. Good, my points, all dear students. Understood? I hope you all are understood. So note down the answer. Do fast. Note down the answer, all my dear students, and then we will move on further the question number B. BO2. Do fast, all of you. Then we move on to question number 2. Again, I am going to tell you what we have to do to solve the following. First, we have to do the division, and then, my dear students, we have to do the multiplication. Okay. First, we have to take the bigger digit number, and it will be divided with the given denominator, and then division answer and numerator. Okay. Answer multiply with our numerator. But my point for you students, compulsory we have to do as like that. Do fast all of you, then after I am going to be start the question number 2. Attention here all my dear students. Okay, so first of all, what is the bigger number? 28. 28 divided by our denominator 4. Okay, so we have to write first as like that. Got my point for all of you. So note down the question number 1 and question number 1 and try to solve the question number B. Okay, note down the question number B. Do fast all of you what I am telling you. Note down the question number 2. I hope you have completed the question number 1. Understood all dear students? So in table number 4, 28 will become or not, my dear students? Yes, 28 will become, but where 4 7s are, or 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28, or 7 4s are 28, or 4 7s are 28. So 28 minus 28 is equal to 0. What we get the answer? 7. So now we do here the multiplication. What we have to do here? We have to do the multiplication. 7 multiplied by 1. So 7 1s are 7. What we get the answer? 7. But my points all of you, as like that, we have to solve the following. Okay. In homework, I give you 2 questions. Note down that both question, and you have to try to solve it. You have to write the full process, full method. These both sum you have to solve in homework. But you have to write what as per I was told you, full method. What you have to write on my dear students? You have to write this full method. You have to write this full method of given sum. So my points for all of you, note down these all things in your book here. Okay, my dear students, this is your today's homework. My friends, all of you, note down the answer here in your book. Homework. Question number 3 and 4 you have to do in your homework. Okay, my dear students. So here we will going to be complete our session. Thank you so much, my dear all students. Thank you all of you.